From 1,300 control arm failures to 3,600 full suspension rebuilds, I've watched the same expensive pattern destroy cars that should have lasted another decade. Drivers ignore the small stuff until the bill hits. Don't worry, I've tested the methods most shops never mention. In this video, I'm giving you 10 secrets that can make your suspension last far longer than the factory ever planned. Some cost 14 bucks. Others need only a flashlight and 5 minutes. Skip around and you'll miss the cold weather mistake even long-time drivers still make. That one alone can cost you. Let's get into it. Secret number 10, don't let the rubber seals crack. Suspension components are engineered for 50,000 to 100,000 miles, but the rubber pieces, bushings, boots, and seals fail first. Age, heat, ozone, and road salt turn them hard and crack no matter how carefully you drive. You cannot stop the process, but you can slow it dramatically. The old school fix is AT205 Ray Seal. Mechanics have used this polymer for decades to restore flexibility to rubber. Most owners never hear about it because it never appears in the owner's manual. Pour a little into a spray bottle, pull the wheels, and coat every rubber surface you can reach. Power steering boots, strut tops, torsion bar bushings, CV axle boots, and especially the control arm bushings. Secret number 9, stop abusing your cars. Unless you've got a dedicated $3,000 emergency fund, there is zero upside to thrashing your car over broken pavement. Coil springs hate it. One controlled test showed springs failing after only 1,248 rough road cycles. On smooth pavement, the same springs lasted 19,060 cycles. Translate that to real life. 2 hard hits a day on bad roads and you're looking at spring failure in under 2 years. Drive with restraint and those same springs can easily go 26 years. Replacing all 4 runs $1,400 or more. Lower control arms are even more dramatic. Rough roads killed them after 3,580 cycles. Flat roads required more than 11 million cycles. Treat the road right and the arms can outlast the car. Abuse them and you're looking at $550 per arm plus labor. Stack rough road abuse with the next habit and the repair bill jumps to $3,600 every few years. That brings us straight to the weight problem. Secret number 8, get the junk out of your trunk. Full-size spares used to be standard. Then came the donut. Now only about 40% of new US cars even include a spare. In the UK it's closer to 3%. Manufacturers claim weight savings for fuel economy. There's some truth there, but the real cost hits your suspension. Extra mass permanently compresses springs and shocks, reducing travel and accelerating wear on bushings, springs, and dampers. The result is a soft, wallowy ride, longer stopping distances, and tires that scrub themselves bald. You also lose acceleration and precise control. If you must haul heavy items, unload them the moment you arrive. Keep only the essentials, emergency kit, light tools, maybe a small spare. Leave the rest at home. Otherwise, the excess weight quietly sets up the next failure. Secret number 7, never delay wheel alignment. 70% of drivers suspect their mechanic is trying to upsell them. That suspicion makes many skip or postpone alignment. 35% admit they've delayed it more than a month. That month is long enough for uneven tire wear and extra stress on ball joints, wheel bearings, tie rods, and control arms. The car's weight no longer sits evenly, so the entire suspension geometry starts working against itself. Struts and shocks take the extra load and fail sooner. A proper alignment costs around $150. Let the problem grow and the bill can climb into the thousands. Most shops will check alignment free when you change oil or rotate tires. Even a tune difference matters. Get it corrected and you also protect the next critical part. Secret number 6, protect your strut mounts. Strut mounts do 2 quiet jobs. They isolate noise and vibration and they hold the strut assembly in the correct position. They're cheap, often $20. So many shops ignore them until the rubber is destroyed. Once the mount fails, the strut itself is next. A full strut job starts at $800 per axle and routinely tops $1,300. Keep the rubber alive with the same AT205 treatment. Work a little down the sides of the mount so it stays pliable. Avoid slamming through potholes. The impact can pop the mount out of its seat. You may not notice until the next tire change when it falls free. And never over-tighten the top nut. Use the factory torque spec, nothing more. Bonus tip, cold weather clunks that disappear after a few miles are usually just aged rubber stiffening in the cold. Annoying, not dangerous. Once the car warms up, the noise fades. Speaking of things that loosen over time. Secret number 5, tighten your suspension bolts regularly. NASCAR teams retorque every critical fastener before every race for a reason. Suspension bolts live in constant vibration. They don't snap easily, but they do loosen. Off-road or unpaved driving accelerates the process by about 38%. A system rated for 50,000 miles can start showing problems near 36,000 if the bolts are neglected. Loose hardware lets bushings and ball joints move beyond their design limits. can crack mounting points, throws alignment out, and in extreme cases allows parts to separate. The fix is simple. Every tire rotation, every 5,000 to 8,000 miles, have the suspension fasteners checked and retorqued. The extra labor is usually under $100 and prevents thousands in damage plus potential accidents. Since we're already talking tires, here's the piece most people overlook. Secret number 4, always keep your tires happy. Your entire suspension is designed around the exact size, shape, and pressure of the tires. They are the first and most important shock absorbers. Underinflated tires raise impact forces by up to 35%, sending that energy straight into the springs, shocks, and bushings. Wrong-sized tires for the vehicle or poorly mounted ones can cut shock life by 30%. Overall, neglected tires accelerate suspension wear by about 20%, before you even factor in alignment issues. Check the pressure against the sticker on the driver's door jamb, not the sidewall number. Rotate no later than every 8,000 miles and keep the alignment correct. If you want the full list of tire mistakes that quietly destroy cars, I cover them in another video. If these tips are already saving you money, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest. Next up is the silent killer that lives under the car. Secret number 3, always rinse off salt. Salt plus moisture equals corrosion fast. Even when you can't see rust, the metal is being weakened from the inside. Road salt loves to hide in every crevice of the undercarriage and attack control arms, springs, shock bodies, and brake lines. Once the damage starts, you're replacing entire assemblies for thousands of dollars. If you live where they salt the roads or near the coast, rinse the undercarriage every week. Drive-through washes with underbody jets work, but the cost adds up. A pressure washer, a solid jack, and a water broom let you do it at home for almost nothing. That small investment can easily save $5,000 over the life of the car. When replacement time does come, the next decision decides whether you fix the problem once or twice. Secret number 2, use quality replacement parts. More than half of American households can't cover a $1,000 emergency. So when suspension parts fail, the cheapest option looks attractive. An aftermarket ball joint might cost $20 while the OEM runs $200. The savings look real until the cheap part doesn't fit correctly, fails early, and takes neighboring components with it. You pay for the part and the labor a second time. Never cut corners on suspension. Replace worn pieces on time and in pairs so the car stays balanced. Dropped ride height, new noises, or vague handling are not character, they're warnings. A failing suspension hurts ride quality and at highway speeds safety. Bonus tip, surface cracks on bushings are normal. Dealers love to point them out. Unless the rubber is split through or making noise, leave it alone. A $50 crack does not need to become a $1,500 job. Secret number 1, inspect your power steering fluid often. Most people treat power steering fluid as nothing more than a convenience for easy turning. They're wrong. That fluid lubricates and protects the tie rods, control arms, and steering knuckles that are part of the suspension geometry. Low or dirty fluid increases friction and stress on every connected joint. When steering gets heavy, the extra force loads the strut mounts and control arm bushings hard. Check the reservoir once a month. Keep the level between the marks and the fluid clean. Dirty fluid circulating at 1,400 psi acts like liquid sandpaper on seals, bearings, and hoses. Some manufacturers call for a change every 3 years or 50,000 miles. Dirt road drivers should go more often. This single fluid is protecting thousands of dollars of hardware. Ignore it and the rest of the system pays the price. Bonus secret, modern cars don't use grease fittings anymore. Older vehicles let you pump fresh grease into every joint. Today most suspension points run rubber directly against metal, no fittings, no grease, just friction. That's why rubber conditioners like AT205 matter more than ever. They're the only practical defense against dry, squeaky, cracking bushings. You've seen how a few simple habits protect the whole system, but mechanics still leave a lot unsaid. In the next video, I break down 11 hidden problems that quietly cost drivers $2,700 a year. Click through before the next repair catches you by surprise.